Hi guys, this is chapter 3 of WordPress Visual Course. If you're new to our YouTube channel, my name is Bea, and if you want to learn tools for web design and tips and a whole bunch of tutorials and courses, then you're in the right place. Please subscribe to get notified whenever a new tutorial is out. And if you're already a subscriber, hi, welcome back. So if you have been following the course from the beginning, then you know that in chapter 3, it's when the fun happens. It's when we'll start designing. So we have our domain, we have our hosting service, we've installed WordPress, and now in this video, in this chapter, I want to show you 2 free tools to design your WordPress site. I'm going to divide the video actually in 2 parts so I can talk about each of them. First one is the one that you can see right now on the screen. It's called Themes Generator. And next one is a page builder by SiteOrigin. So I'm going to divide this in 2 parts so I can show you a small preview of these free tools. Okay, so let's go guys. I'm already logged into Themes Generator, the first free tool that I want to recommend you. The reasons why I want to recommend this free tool is because I think it's easy to use and you can actually create amazing WordPress themes even though you do not have much WordPress knowledge. Theme Generator is in a beta stage right now, so it's not available yet for you to use. But what you can do is you can subscribe to this channel right now, or what you can do is visit themesgenerator.com and then click on the subscribe button to our YouTube channel, so you will get notified whenever this tool is out. The plan is that it will be released in a couple of weeks, around August 2018. So if you're watching this video after August 2018, it means that the tool is already out. So guys, anyway, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to get notified whenever this tool is out. What I want to do now is show you a little bit how Themes Generator works. What you're seeing right now is a welcome hero image. With Theme Generator, what you can do is you can start a site from scratch. You can use one of the themes, or you can use pre-styled blocks. I will show you this in this video. Theme Generator is based on CSS styles. This means that you will learn CSS principles. I'm going to show you how this works a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open a theme. So I'm going to click on the load button, and here are the themes that you can choose. And also you can open your own file, that your local file that you are working on. But as an example, now I'm just going to open a theme. It's called Autumn Theme. It's this one over here, so I'm just going to click it. This is a warning that I will lose the current design, so I'm just going to say yes. This is Autumn Theme. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit so you guys see how this theme looks with the different sections. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll back up again. And here in Themes Generator, you will always see your designs on the left. The canvas will be on the left. And then the Style Manager and the blocks will be on the right. This is where you will be making the changes. So, as I've said before, you can start your site from scratch, from a white canvas. You can start using a theme, or I'm going here to this section called blocks. You have some basic blocks here, like for example, text that you will just drag out, and you can make the changes now. You also have other blocks like the image, a video. You have some layout blocks here, which is important here, WordPress blocks. As you can see, I have a header separator here, and down there were other blocks called footer separator and theme styles. These are, I'm going to show them here. As you can see, header and footer separator, they're kind of highlighted. It's because you must use them. Rest of them are completely optional. Now here, while you're designing, you will see these bars, but once you export this design to WordPress, export this theme to WordPress, then it won't be visible. You just need them to convert it. We also have extra blocks here. They're actually the pre-styled blocks. You can also design your own site by dragging out these blocks. They're different pre-styled sections. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I'm going to drag out here this image over here. We have more. You have footers, you have card blocks, stuff blocks, and even pricing blocks. Okay, I'm going to move on to the Style Manager. So here in Style Manager, what we're going to do is where we're going to make the changes. So I drag out a basic text block before. So what I'm going to do is go to typography and going to center it. Just going to change the color a little bit. I'm going to use a random color and bring up the size drastically so you guys can see. I'm going to scroll down to the image here. So I'm going to change the image background. I'm going to upload a new image and open. I'm just going to select it and see how I change the image. And here inside our layers panel, we'll see all the hierarchy of all the elements in our design. In Themes Generator, you will be designing responsive sites. You will also be able to control how the site will look in different devices. I'm going to just scroll up because I want to show you here. You can see desktop device, tablet, and you will be able to control how it will look. As you can see right now, I'm in a small device, I'm in a mobile device. Also, I'm going back to desktop. Over here, as you can see, whenever my mouse is on top of one of the elements, it kind of like activates to show you which one you will be editing. And you can see some like a dotted line, some guides that actually what you can do is show borders, or you can hide them, show or hide. So you can also see how it will look without all those lines here. The lines are just to help you to design too. So apart from show borders, here we also have a full screen option, the option to export to WordPress the design, to undo and to redo. We can trash everything. We have theme settings. We can save this theme into a local file, and you can use and upload it whenever you want to work on it again. A load theme, we also have the user profile, and then we're back to blocks, Style Manager, and the layers. Before exporting our site into WordPress and see how it looks, what I want to do is show you the theme options inside Themes Generator. So these are the theme settings. The thing is that in Themes Generator, you'd be creating your own theme. What I mean with this is that many professionals and many agencies, what they do when they design a site for a client is they purchase a template and they work on that template. So once you install this template, and you'll see that it will link to the author, the template author, and nothing else. But actually here in Themes Generator, you will be creating your own branding. So here in the theme options, you can change the name, change the author, and add a URL where it will be linking, a description, a version, and even a thumbnail. So you will be making something that is really yours. If you design a site for a client, then you can make all these edits, and it will always have your name and it will link to you. As an example, I'm going to leave the name in Theme Generator. I'm going to change the author name and give it mine. I'll leave this URL here, and I'm going to type a description. So let's say autumn theme is a 1-page with let's say it has 5 different sections. Okay, I'm going to type a different version. Let's say it's version 2.0. What we have to do is just click on save the option. So once I export this into WordPress, then I will show you these small changes. So let's click on Save. After editing the theme options, I'm going to export the site into WordPress. As you see, we've added some text and a new block over here. Maybe what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this one over here. Also, the blocks, as you can see, you can move them around and you can also delete them. Okay, so let's export this to WordPress. This is the export button. And click here, export WordPress template, and you will get a zip file. So this zip file is the one that we are going to bring into WordPress once it's downloaded. I'm in WordPress right now and I'm going to upload the exported theme. So I'm going to click here on upload and get the file, the zip file, which is here in my desktop. And I'm just going to install it. And after this, we're just going to activate it and we're going to preview how it looks. And as you can see here, it's with the theme settings that we've been editing before. This is what you will see. This is what I mean when you will be creating your own branding, your own theme. So the name is the same. Remember that I changed the version, which now is 2.0. My name, which links to the URL that you want, and the small description here. Okay, so let's visit the site. This is the exported theme, so I'm just going to scroll down. You see we have changed this image here. We added this new pre-styled block. This is how the theme looks. As if you remember, there was a header separator and a footer separator that was visible in Themes Generator, but as you can see, it's not visible here. We just need them to convert the theme into a WordPress theme. But here, once you export it, it's not visible at all. After several months testing Themes Generator and seeing the improvements that the development team has introduced, I think that TG is a handy tool for any designer to convert their ideas into stylish WordPress themes easily. Anyway, this was just a sneak peek of what you can do with Themes Generator. You will probably want to reach to your own conclusions, so remember that whenever Themes Generator is out, you will be able to use it completely for free. In this second part of Chapter 3 of our WordPress visual course, I'm going to show you a visual builder. It's called Page Builder by SiteOrigin, and it's a plugin that allows you to create and design layouts in WordPress pages. By layouts, I mean whatever is in between the header and the footer. So as an example for you to understand what I mean here, I'm going to show you our website, Responsive Muse. And here, as you can see, we see a header with a menu and a logo. And I'm going to scroll down, 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 down. And down here, you can see the footer. So by layout, I mean whatever, all this content here in between header and footer. Great, so I'm going back to WordPress backend in the website that we're working on. So this is how you're going to install this plugin. So what you have to do is you go to plugins here in the menu on the left, go to plugins and click on add new. So here on the right where we're going to search the plugin, we're actually going to need the Page Builder plugin and the widgets bundle. So the easiest way, instead of searching one by one, is searching by the creators, which is SiteOrigin. So I'm going to type SiteOrigin. This is how you type it. And that's it. It's exactly the two first. So we need to install this one over here, which is the plugin, and this is the widgets bundle. So click on install. And over here on the right, click on install. After this, we have to activate it too. So let's go to the first plugin and click on activate. So now it will take us to the list of plugins that we have. So whatever plugin that you will install in the future, you will also find it here. So right now we have one activated and the other one down here, the widgets bundle, we need to activate it too. since Themes Generator is not available yet for you to create your own WordPress theme, I'm going to work with another template to show you how this builder works. I've already previously installed it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go directly to the pages and find this sample page. So click here in Pages, and I'm going to open the sample page. This is how your pages will look once you have installed the page builder and the widget bundle. So what we see here is that normally sample pages have some random text. So once you get this page builder, what is done is transform it into a block, a text block, automatically. So afterwards, what you can do, you can edit this text or you just can delete it. Now I'm going to move on to show you some things that you can get to do with this page builder. You can design your site from scratch and start adding yourself the rows and the widgets inside the rows. You can upload pre-styled layouts, and then afterwards you can also edit this with a live editor. I will show you this afterwards. So as an example, I'm going to add a row. So you're going to come here, click on add row, and as you see here we have like 2 blocks, it's 50% each. And here's how you set it. If you just want 1 block, which would be 100%, so we need to lower this to 1. If you want more, 3, and it will automatically create the percentage, because this percentage is what is going to create the responsiveness afterwards. I'm going to leave it as it is, so I just want a row with two columns. So if you see both of them here, this is how you will add the widgets now. Select one of the rows, let's say this one, and I'm going to click add widget. So this is the widgets bundle, and I'm just going to add an image. I'm going to add another widget, which is text, and I'm going to do the exact thing on this column. So I'm going to add an image, and below that I want the text. It's pretty easy to edit because I'm going to open, and here you can add a title or add an image. I'm going to add a random image right now. I'm going to upload a file. I have these 2 images over here. Wait until it uploads. And I'm just going to select one. See how you select the images? I'm just going to select this one over here and click on add widget. And if you want to link it to any URL, just paste it. If not, just click on done. So here I have an image. This is the text. And I'm just going to type this fast. And I'll do the same thing. I'm going to add an image. This one over here. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. If you find that I'm going way too fast, don't worry. This is just a preview of what you will be doing in the following chapters. Great, so what we can do now is we're going to preview these changes. So we have that random text and both images, obviously with no styling at all. I've just placed the images and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the back end. Now I'm going to upload a pre-styled layout. So let's go here to layouts. Just click on this button over here. We get pre-built layouts here in the directory. You can choose among all of the ones you have here. So let's say, for example, you can preview them before actually. So let's say, for example, that I want to upload this one. So just select it and go to the insert button. So when you click on insert, it will ask if you want to insert after, insert before, or replace the current. It's talking about the current layout that you're adding, the blocks that we've been adding. I'm just going to insert it after. So click on insert after and done. As you see, it has added more rows with blocks under the blocks that I have added previously. So just going to preview this. Click on here, preview changes, and I've already previewed before and the page is already open. So I'm coming here, going back to this tab. Just going to scroll down and see how it has added the layout that I've selected. Okay, so I'm going to go back. These blocks are easy to edit, just as we did before. You're just going to click on edit, and I'm just going to open the frame here so you can see some text. You can add a different picture, your text. So just as an example, I'm just going to do some quick changes. Click on OK. And another thing, apart from editing here the blocks, opening each one of them, what you can use is the live editor. So click here, live editor, and this is what you will get. So we get our page here, and if you see, if I start clicking the elements, and you see how it highlights here on the left. So we got our builder here, and you just can select and open it here. So as an example, let's edit this over here, this part. So click on it, and let's open one of the features here. Like for example, let's change the icon and the icon color to, let's leave it green, just as an example, and click on done. So when it loads, we're going to see the changes that we have just made. And we get the icon with this different color. I think this live editor is pretty cool because by selecting each of the elements here on the left, it will open exactly the section that you need to edit, whatever you want to change, as you can see here. This is just a short preview of the 2 free tools that I wanted to recommend you. As a reminder, Themes Generator is not out yet. It's in a beta stage, and hopefully in August 2018 it will be out. So if you're watching this video after August 2018, it means that it's already out. Anyways, if you want to get the updates, then remember that you can subscribe to this channel or visit themesgenerator.com and subscribe to the channel so you'll get notified whenever the tool is out. About Page Builder by SiteOrigin, it was also a small preview, and we will be learning how to use it. We'll be doing a lot of stuff with this Page Builder, this free plugin by SiteOrigin. So anyway guys, if you don't want to miss these tutorials, this full course, and if you don't want to miss whenever Themes Generator is out, then subscribe to the channel. You can click on the icon, the bell icon that is below this video to get the notification whenever a new video is out. And again, thank you guys for watching.